Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the access cover in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new access cover. The access cover protects the machine compartment and allows for a correct airflow, cooling down the condenser and the compressor. The main reasons why it would need to be replaced is if it's missing or is damaged. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take all the screws out and remove the access cover. Use the opportunity to clean the condenser coil. As you can see, it's filthy. This is the old access cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new access cover in and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. As you can see, the new access cover is different from the old one. But no worries, it's going to work perfectly. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.